So you may have a question, what's going on with my case? That's a very popular question, and that comes up all the time. So the question can be answered very easily. Are you still treating? In the background, we are gathering information. We're speaking to adjusters. We're speaking to property adjusters. We're just gathering facts and evidence. However, if you're still currently treating, 90% of the time, our job really begins when you're done treating, because that we can gather all the information and make a demand for settlement, which I covered in another video as well. So if you are still treating, the answer is, well, it depends. How are you feeling? And we need to know on a regular basis how you're feeling in order to figure out what's the best method to attack whenever we send a demand package out to your insurance company. If your injuries are very great and it's a limited policy, we may do the demand for settlement a little bit earlier. If your injuries are great, there's a good policy on the other side, and you're still treating, you have a lot of pain, we may have to wait a little while to find out what all your diagnostic studies, what all your treatment studies, the ortho visits, things, neurologist visits, any type of doctors you may see. We need to gather all that, because the insurance company only sees what's on paper. So even though you may have pain, they still need to see what's actually on paper, because they don't know who you are. I know you have pain, you know you have pain, but the insurance company doesn't know you. So once you gather all your medical records, your orthopedic records, neurologist records, therapist records, chiro records, medical records, MRIs, things of that nature, it paints a better picture for us and for the insurance company, and for everybody in general, to have a better idea of what your injuries actually are, and that way we can help calculate pain and suffering and things like that. If you have any questions on this, of course, give us a call, 813-421-3411.